Hello, Pokemon fans. My name is Richard Winston, and welcome to another episode of Pokemon Alpha Sapphire and Omega Ruby. And so far, I'm trying to breed a Beedrill with the nature of joy. So far, let me show you. Oops. So far, I have a whole bunch of Beedrills, and look at their natures. Relaxed, naughty, gentle, moodist, hasty, laxed, relaxed, naughty, gentle, modest, hasty, laxed, calm, and not other than rush. So I'm trying to figure out a formula of trying to make joy. And here's my question: how do you make joy from out of these nature of Beedrill? I'll see you later. Bye. And I will read in the comments too. If you like this video, please subscribe on my YouTube channel, Richard Winston. Bye.